Hi guys, today I would like to share with you the general practice of applying subcontractors discount when you have all the prices filled in your BOQ and the subcontract adjudicator. Now the CCS, they have provided a discount factor in the subcontractors adjudicators, which I will show you now. If you click on the adjudicators here, so I have already opened a standard building project, and these are the subcontractors that I have already entered. So if I click on the structural steel works, so if you see this, there is a discount factor option here that CCS has given to us. Now this is one way of doing the things, and the other way is to apply the discounts in the resource sheet, which is by adding the columns of surcharge and discount, which is like if you want to add the price, or if you want to reduce and apply the buying gains or discounts, you can put the percentages here. This appears as here as a percentage. So both ways are possible, both will give you the same result, but the good practice is to apply it on this sheet, and the reason I'll show you why. So if I go back to the subcontractors adjudicator, so if you see that there is a subcontractor A, so if I just remove this discount from here and make it 1, so see the total here is 10.349 million, and I have also copied the same figures in another column and renamed it as A2, and notice the figure is same, 10.349 million and 10.349 million. So let's first transfer these rates into the bill. Clear existing, copy the name and click OK. So if you go to the resource sheet now, resource summary sheet, and go to the subcontractors, that particular subcontractor of structural steel, which is this one, and do not forget to use this calculate button, because it does not automatically update unless you press this calculate button, and increase the size of the columns. So notice that the amount transferred is 10.34 million and 10.34 million, which is without any discount. I'll just delete this one to avoid any confusion. So 10.34 million in the bill quantity usage, and this is the amount which will actually appear in the trade summary sheet, so which is 10.349 million. So go back to the adjudicator and now apply a discount of 10%, which will be 0.9 as a factor. So notice the total has now changed to 9.314 million. So I'll now transfer this again. Clear existing, subcontractor's name, resource, click OK, go to the resources and again click the calculate button. So it's not serious, the amount has now changed to 9.314 million. So if I just make it on top and then bring this and down, so contractor A in the adjudicator 9.314 million, structural steel works 9.314 million, name of the contractor appears here A. The problem is that in this sheet, in the resource sheet, it appears to be that this is showing you as a subcontractor's quoted value and not a discounted value. You cannot see any 10% discount reduction here. Excuse me. So to avoid this, I'll go back to the adjudicators again and use this column, which is the same which I've copied before, rates to the BOQ, subcontract rates, clear existing, and just change this to A, click OK, resource sheet. Now so this is now says 0550A structural steel works, calculate button. So this is now 10.349 million, and here in the adjudicator you can see 10.349 million here. Now if you want to apply a discount, you can use the discount column and put 10% here. So you notice that this final rate has now become 0.9, base rate remains the 1. The final amount is now 9.314 million, which is the required amount after 10% discount. If you see, we have here in the adjudicator when we have applied 0.9 as a factor here. The advantage of this is that you can clearly see the discount applied on the resource sheet, but in here in the subcontractor summary this will not appear. Now if you go to the reports and customize this report, you go to columns, add columns, and add the discount and the amount columns here. Let's try here discount. So this is the trade discount. Just add this also, add the base rate also, and then bring this up after, and let's bring this up also, and then bring this also up here. Click OK. Click OK. I can just print the report and preview it, and let's print anyway. So if I go to the subcontractors page, let me see here. So when you print this report, you can see exactly that there's a 10% discount has been applied with a final rate of 0.9, and this comes with the headings, and you can also export this to the Excel and amend it as you wish. Now if you go to the subcontractors report, tools, analysis report, says summary, print all subcontractors, preview. So in here, let's go to the subcontractor, structural steel subcontractor, and that is, where would that be? Here. So notice here that this is the one that we have used, and it's showing 10.349 million. This is the factor that is being used here as 0.9. So it does not clearly shows that this factor is used as a discount. The factors might, some estimators, they might use it for any other purpose. Sometimes they want to increase the price, sometimes they have some missing items and they just want to cover it up, so they use that factors. So it is a good practice to use the discount in a resource sheet. So I mean, this is a good practice. It's up to you how you want to use it, and I hope that this would be a useful feature for you. And if some of you who didn't know about it, and I will be sharing with you some other tips later in my next video. Thank you.